I am Dr. N.K. Venkataramana, Chief Neurosurgeon and Director Neurosciences, Brains Super Speciality Hospital, Lal Bagh, Siddhapura. Brain is a crown jewel in creation and evolution. This is the only organ which has evolved in the universe from a single cell all the way up to millions of cells with innumerable number of connections. So, if you look at the evolution from a small organism, they also had brain in a different format as a single cell or a single nerve cell that was controlling or regulating the body functions. Today, human beings have got a phenomenal amount of brain. Brain has evolved grossly in 3 stages in the evolution. One is called a reptilian brain, is otherwise known as reflex brain. Actually, the lower animals, all of them have this reptilian brain, where they know how to search for the food, identify the danger and sleep. Beyond that, they do not have any other functions. But these nervous systems also has an ability to adapt to the environment, to run away, control the body temperature, supervise the body functions in a subtle way. And then on came the second one, which got superimposed on the reptilian brain. Reptilian because it is in the reptiles, and it also the one is called the limbic brain. The limbic brain is also known as the emotional brain, and this emotional brain has the 3 major functions. One is survival, the second one is propagation of the species, third is the fight or flight reaction. So, survival means they know what kind of food, how to search, where to search, how much to eat, and only till the appetite is controlled. That is why if you see that even the tiger or a lion, they do not keep on hunting, only when they are hungry they hunt. Remaining time they just be like a normal animal. The second one is the propagation of species, and the third is the fight or flight reaction. Whenever they anticipate a danger, they try to attack. If they think that it cannot be attacked or in invincible situation, they run away. So, this is the programmed brain, what we call is a second level of development. From that level, we have enormously moved into a intellectual brain, where the front part of the brain has enormously grown, what is called as frontal lobes. And this frontal lobes has got very amazing functions that will completely differentiate us from the human beings. Like the most important is the speech, and you are able to understand, you are able to think, you are able to speak, you are able to respond, you are able to imagine, you are able to anticipate and planning. So, judgment, okay, and this is the what is we call as intellectual brain, and the intellect is something which is given to us, and underneath that all the 3 other brains are also there. So, you respond to any situation automatically. You also have an emotional brain and you also have an intellectual brain. So, that how becomes a most amazing organ that takes care of internal needs, external demands, social requirements, as well as the responses to society and the spiritual connectivity or a higher connectivity. So, every human being, though they think that they are individual, they have at 3 levels of working. One is at the body level, the second is the mind, which goes beyond the body, and then they connect to the universe, and everyone is interconnected, and thus how become a universal beings. So, this is the evolution that has happened and is one of the fantastic organs that makes us completely different from all the other living beings in this world. July 22nd is a World Brain Day, and Brains Hospital is trying to create awareness about the brain.